Graduation day has come and gone. You did it, but now what are you going to do with your cap and gown? Well, instead of turning it into a shadow box, let's turn your graduation gown into something useful. Are you ready? Let's get started. You'll need your graduation gown, a university t-shirt, a pillow form, and a sewing machine. The tassel is optional. If you're using a 16-inch pillow, cut the top of your gown into a 17-inch square. Cut a square the same size from your university t-shirt. Use a piece of fabric from the gown remnants to fill in the V-neck section of the gown and sew it in place. Open the zipper of the gown just a little bit, and with the right sides together, sew the square all the way around, and be sure to clip the edges. With the front zipper of the gown all the way open, turn the new pillow cover right side out. Insert your pillow and zip up the gown. And you can add the tassel from your cap as a cool pull to the zipper. And there you have it, a great way to upcraft your graduation gown and turn it into memorable dorm decor.